the laws of our being, godly trust, exercise, nutrition, enough water, rest, air, temperance, enough sunshine. 8 natural laws that govern our health. Do not tamper with them. Yep, God is wonderful. He said He causes the grass to grow for the cattle and herb for the service of man, that he may bring forth food out of the earth. If any man defile the temple of God, him shall God destroy, for the temple of God is holy, which temple ye are. In the beginning, the herb-bearing seeds and the fruits of the land God gave to us as our meat. He made our bodies, and He knows what is best to put in it to preserve life. The manufacturer who makes cars, they give you a manual that tells you how to take care of your car. If where there's supposed to be gas, you put water or sand, what do you think will happen? Yes, your vehicle will malfunction.